Hello everyone and welcome back today to my kitchen. I am Chioma. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Okay, so today we'll be making Nigerian puff puff. As you all know, Nigerian puff puff is one of the most popular snacks we have in Nigeria, and today I will be showing you how I prepare it. So stay to the end of the video and see how I do it. Okay, and please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, try and do so, and also give this video a thumb up and give your comment in the comment section. For the ingredients, I have half teaspoon of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of nutmeg, grounded nutmeg, pinch of salt, and I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Yeah, I think with this measurement, I got 12 bowls of puff puff. With this measurement I have here. So I also have my warm water. Yeah, and lastly, oil for frying. So I will also be leaving the ingredients and their measurement in the description box below. Firstly, we start by activating our yeast. So I add a little warm water in a cup. I add the dry yeast, and I will be adding the sugar to help to activate it. So after that, I will mix thoroughly. I will mix it well and cover it with a plastic and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. We sieve our flour. So after sieving it, I add the salt, the nutmeg, also sieving the nutmeg, yeah, do you see what I got from that? It's always good to sieve it. So after that, then we mixed everything together. So we mix it well. Yeah. So after that, do you now see the way our yeast have fermented already? Yeah, that's good. So now we'll be adding it in the flour. I poured it there. So I will mix. I'll be adding water gradually. Yeah. And this is the consistency that I really want. Very nice. Wow, if you look at the things here, no. So after mixing, I will be covering it with a plastic film and with a kitchen towel, and I will be leaving it in a very warm place for 20 to 30 minutes. So to fry the puff puff, you need a lot of oil. I'm using vegetable oil here. So I'm making the shape of the puff puff with my hand. So I prefer with hand. Just like this. I make the shape and I cut. Just like that. And very important, you have to control the heat and the temperature of the oil, so that the puff puff will be well cooked inside by the time outside is golden. Just like this. Wow, very nice. So now I flip the puff puff. Wow. So you keep moving until you get the desired color you want. At this time, I will be taking them off because they are done. So you see, I'm using a kitchen tissue so that the oil will be absorbed. Wow, so nice. Wow, so the puff puff is ready. You can always enjoy it with a very soft drink of your choice, okay? So that is the end of the video for today. Bye bye.